before the video starts, I just want to give you guys a quick debrief on what happened before all of this. So I'm pretty sure it was Friday when I found about this first, but I was looking on the Weather Channel app and it said Wednesday there was a potential for severe thunderstorms. I had questioned that a bit, but of course that threat eventually disappeared, like it usually does. And then I guess it just said bitch fuck no, and then ILN issued a slight risk, and then an enhanced risk, and now you're all caught up. Enjoy the video.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 6 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, and Greene. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now looking at the weather patterns. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, until 5:45 a.m. At 5:15 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over London, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
There go the sirens.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Bexley, Jefferson, Groveport, West Jefferson, The Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Easton, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Obetz, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, and Lafayette. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 78 and 108. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 81 and 115. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official
Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Knox County until 6:15 a.m. At 5:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Centerburg, or 10 miles southwest of Mount Vernon, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mount Vernon around 5:45 a.m. Gambier around 5:50 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Martinsburg, Bladensburg, and Gann. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here are the 5 a.m. weather conditions at the John Wayne Columbus International Holmes counties through 6 a.m. At 5.
Here we go. Was this a tornado warning?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northern Fairfield County, north central Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County until 6:15 a.m. At 5:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Asheville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawtascalaw, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, South Bloomfield, Millersport, Pleasantville, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, and Fairfield Beach. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 136. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast.
A spin-up tornado. I think the odds of a substantial tornado would be less likely now because the atmosphere is.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Licking County until 6:45 a.m. At 5:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm with strong rotation was located over Pawtascalaw, moving east at 50 miles an hour. A tornado is occurring or imminent. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Pawtascalaw, Johnstown, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Utica, Hanover, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, Martin, Beechwood Trail, Thornport, New Albany, Jersey, Alexandria, St. Louisville, Gratiot, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 126 and 142 and near mile marker 144. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch has been allowed to expire for the following.
We're seeing is just only going to be the north side of Baltimore, continuing to move its way to the east-northeast. These storms have been moving very quickly, at times 65 miles an hour.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northern Perry County, northwestern Morgan County until 6:30 a.m. At 6 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pleasantville, or 8 miles northeast of Lancaster, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Somerset, Harbor Hills, and Thornport around 6:05 a.m. Perry State Forest around 6:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Junction City, Glenford, Crooksville, and Thornville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Muskingum County until 6:45 a.m. At 6:21 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Perry State Forest, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, South Zanesville, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Gratiot, Fultonham, Canalville, High Hill, Rural Dale, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls, East Fultonham, and Blue Rock State Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 143 and 162, and between mile markers 165 and 166. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Perry County, Northwestern Morgan County, until 6:45 a.m. At 6:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Zanesville, or 8 miles south of Zanesville, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crooksville. Here is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Guernsey County, southeastern Muskingum County, Noble County, until 7:15 a.m. At 6:44 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of McConnellsville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Caldwell, Gesville, Dudley, Philo, Quaker City, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Cumberland, Lower City, Summerfield, Bell Valley, Sayersville, Dexter City, Salesville, High Hill, Rural Dale, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls, and Batesville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 162, and between mile markers 165 and 166. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 19 and 43.
Jeez.
In Wilmington, Ohio has confirmed an F1 tornado occurred in Hilliard in Franklin County, Ohio earlier this morning. Damage occurred in a short path north of Roberts Road. Additional information, including tornado estimated maximum wind speeds and track data, will be made available later this evening. A final assessment, including results of the survey, are expected to be completed and transmitted via a public information statement later this evening or tomorrow. The storm survey information will also be available on our website at http://weather.gov/. The National Weather Service